Rainfall from severe tropical storm Florita has caused severe flooding in several provinces in Luzon, including low-lying areas in Hagonoy, Bulacan. Mon Gualvez with the report.
Houses and roads submerged in floods. This has been a common scene for residents in Barangay San Miguel, Hagonoy, Bulacan, even if there's no storm.
Siyempre, natatakot din kami. Baka bukas pagising namin, malaki pa dyan yung tubig. Yung bahay namin, mababa lang, linulubog ng tubig.
Sanay na ho kami sa ganitong kalagayan. Marami tayong mga government officials na nagsasabi, natutulong sa ating mga mamamayan. Pero mulat sa pulho, ganito na ang aming kalagayan.
Maritas family had to take matters into their own hands by elevating their house. This is now the third time they've done this to prevent their home from being flooded.
Kung hindi ka magpapataas, kawawa yung mga bata, lalo pag may estudyante. Malaki-laki na rin po ang nagastos. Dahil ito, hindi pa gaanong tapos, talagang magastos.
Flooding has been a long-term problem here in Hagonoy, which worsens when there's a typhoon or heavy rainfall.
Kaya po mabagal yung pagkati ng tubig kasi po dala nung yung bagyo, hangin, hindi po siya makadire-diretso ng pagbaba sa dagat. So napipigil po, and then yun nga po, umulan. So kaya po tuloy-tuloy yung paglaki.
Residents in Hagonoy have also adjusted with their mode of transportation. Passengers have to pay an additional 5 to 10 pesos when riding the Tikling. The local government explains that the high tide in Hagonoy starts every May and June and lasts until January. This happens when upland dams such as Angat and Ipo release water. The water flows down to Pampanga River going to different towns including Hagonoy. And once high tide takes place in Manila Bay, Hagonoy is immediately affected. Roads in the area have been elevated but the homes are still left submerged. There's also a garbage disposal problem in the municipality.
Yung kailugan namin na pati yung mga sapa ay talaga pong mga kumbaga bahaw na. So pag ito po yung mahuhukay, so magkakaroon po ng magiging malalim na tubig sa ilog, sa kailugan. So yung pumupunta pong mga tubig sa karsada, dito na pumapupunta sa kailugan. So mababawasan po yung tubig sa karsada.
The LGU is now calling on the provincial and national government for additional budget to continuously dredge the river and build the dike. For News 5, Mon Gualvez, we are One News.